Hello everyone. Today we're going to cook pasta carbonara, a tomato cucumber salad, and as an extra, we have some passion fruit juice.
Pasta is full of proteins, amino acids, carbohydrates, and glucose. Eggs are full of fats, proteins, and amino acids. Bacon is full of proteins and fats. Cheese has a lot of protein and fats. And salt is purely sodium. We chose pasta carbonara because it is full of protein and fats, but most importantly, it tastes very good.
Let's get started. We boil our water and add our pasta. While the pasta cooks, let me tell you why this carbonara pasta is very good for the brain. It is, since Christian said, it is full of proteins, and proteins help neurons within the brain communicate with other neuron transmitters. This is good for the brain because it raises amino acids and helps manufacture dopamine and norepinephrine. The pasta finished cooking, so we're going to put it through a strainer. After that, we're going to add it to our pan where we have the bacon, add our eggs, and mix it all together. Now we just have to add a little bit more cheese, and there you have it. We have our finished pasta carbonara. Cucumber has some carbohydrates, some sodium, very little fiber, very little sugar. Tomatoes have some carbohydrates, very little fats, very little proteins, and some sodium. Lime has some sodium, some carbohydrates, some sugars, and amino acids. Onion has some sodium, some carbohydrates, some omega-3s, a little bit of protein, and almost no non-fats. We chose the salad because it has some carbohydrates and it has omega-3. We have already talked about why amino acids are so important in the brain, but let's talk about why omega-3s are so important. We use omega-3s to build brain and nerve cells. These fats are what help us learn and memorize things. Now that we're done chopping up the vegetables, we're going to add it to a bowl where we're going to add salt, lime juice, and olive oil. We toss the salad for a little bit, and that's it. Our finished cucumber tomato salad. Now we make our passion fruit juice. We chose passion fruit because it's a very healthy, very nutritious fruit. It has a lot of fibers, vitamin C, and vitamin A. The reason that fiber-rich fruits, such as passion fruit, are so good for your brain is because they help delay brain aging. After adding all that sugar, this juice has a lot of glucose. Glucose is so important to the brain because it helps thinking, memory, learning, and it's a very good fuel for the brain. Now we have to strain the juice, and we're done.